Hold up, wait a minute, TR, put some greatness in it, don't stop, get it, TR unified. Brace yourself. Hey, what's going on, Twin Rivers Unified School District? My name is Kevin Bracy, also known as Coach Greatness. Coach Greatness not because I'm so great, but Coach Greatness because I, like you, see the greatness in our young people, the greatness in our students, the greatness in our youth. And I just wanted to share a little bit about who I am and why I've partnered with Twin Rivers Unified School District. Again, I'm Kevin Bracy. I was born and raised in Sacramento. I grew up in Citrus Heights, went to Mesa Verde High School. And then from Mesa Verde High School, I ended up going to American River College to play baseball. And I had a dream to play professional baseball. And I went to ARC for 3 years. I got my associate arts degree from American River College. From American River College, I got a baseball scholarship offer to the University of Utah. Went off to Salt Lake City, Utah, played ball there for a couple of years. I got my degree in sociology and criminal justice. Went off and played 2 years of independent professional baseball in Canada. And 22 years ago, I discovered my passion, my gift, my purpose, which is speaking into the lives of youth that has turned into speaking in the lives of the market of education, with a program called the Reach One Alliance, where we focus on each one, reach one, every single day. I've been doing this for 22 years of my life, and I feel like today, in this video right now, is day one. I'm just as excited today as I was in day one. Now, I'm grateful that I've partnered with Twin Rivers Unified. I've been in multiple districts around the Sacramento area and California, but I'm excited to have come around to Twin Rivers Unified School District, and I've partnered with them for a couple of reasons. There's 3 separate things that we're doing. The first thing is something called connection sessions, where I'm taking 6th graders, 8th graders, and 12th graders on a Zoom call, and we're just talking about life. I'm giving them an opportunity to speak, because you know, when this whole pandemic hit, a lot of people, everybody has a platform to talk at our young people. But I said, I want to take it from the opposite angle, and I want to give them a space where they can talk to us. So I've been having sessions with students. Why 6th, 8th, and 12th? Because those are the students right now who are making the biggest transition. 6th is going into middle school, 8th is going into high school, as you know, and 12th graders are graduating. So since I can't reach everybody at once, I said, let me target those groups, and we get on a connection session and we have conversations just about life. What are you going through? Where were you when you realized that this quarantine thing and this whole pandemic hit and you realized it was real? What do you do? Where do you find your strength? What do you do when you're sad and you're feeling depressed? Why am I doing that? Because I want them to be able to communicate and share out what they're feeling. And then we take those videos and we try to share them with the students on all the different campuses. Why? So that students can make a connection amid this crazy time that we're living in. Second thing that I'm doing is I'm doing assemblies and chant rallies with the younger students, the younger kids, giving them some words that they can repeat to themselves over and over and over again, like, I'm awesome. Yeah, I'm brilliant. Let's go. I believe in me. Hey, I matter. Just giving them songs and rhythm and motivating them and entertaining them at the same time so that they can begin to build their own self-confidence through the words that we share through our chant rallies and assemblies. The third thing that I'm doing that I want to try to get everybody involved in this is our 4-week challenges. It's Monday Madness challenges. So every week for the next 4 weeks, we've got challenges, and I'm going to be making a video, and you're going to be seeing those videos, and we want parents involved, we want staff involved, we want students involved, because while we are at a distance, we're still in this together. So if we're all focused on these challenges and we're putting videos out and putting positivity out, it feels like, yeah, we are at a distance, but it also feels some sense of connection that we are in this together. So we've got 4 weeks of challenges. You're going to start seeing videos, and we want you to get involved, and we want you to hashtag TR in this together. And every video that you post, every picture that you post that's connected to the challenges, we want to get them out and spread that love to every student every staff member, and every family in the Twin Rivers Unified School District. So I'm grateful to be partnered with Twin Rivers for the next 4 weeks, for the rest of this school year, just to spread positivity and to do the best that I can with my gift to keep us as connected as possible. So I look forward to meeting you in person. I look forward to that high five when we can high five again. I look forward to that side hug whenever we might be able to side hug again. But there is greatness in Twin Rivers Unified, and I'm grateful to be a Sacramento native, to be partnered with an awesome school district. Again, my name is Kevin Bracy. When I go like this, that just means brace up. It can also mean brace yourself. I got love for you. Can't wait to see you from week to week in the month of May. Throw your brace at me, friends. Brace. See ya soon.